There we go. So heavy. Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Ali Raja Bagan UK. If you're new to our channel, I'm Akibullah.
I'm Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we will show you how to prepare and improve your garden soil for the new season. We'll also give you tips on the type of vegetables that you could sow end of March and beginning of April.
Just in case you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit that subscribe button because we show you how to grow your vegetables, we show you how to cook your vegetables, and we show you how to enjoy life by traveling. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell.
So without further ado, let's start gardening.
Let's start gardening. Soil can vary massively from one garden to another. Knowing and understanding soil will help you prepare your soil and choose plants that will flourish in your garden.
When you take a handful and squeeze it, and if it breaks and crumbles like this, it has a lot of sand and slit in it. If you take a handful and squeeze and it holds together, it probably has more clay in it. If your soil has more clay in it, you could improve your soil by adding grit, sand and gravel in it to improve the drainage so that you don't get waterlogged. If your soil is free draining like this, you want to make sure it locks in moisture by adding compost and manure into the soil to increase the organic matter. And you want to make sure that it doesn't get too dry in hot weather.
To improve your garden soil, the first thing that you'll need to do is remove all the weeds from your soil. Using a Dutch hoe, scrape off all the invasive weeds, and if you have any perennial weeds, make sure you dig the roots out. Dig them up, guys. Once you have removed all the weeds, dig the soil up, turn the earth over. Let's get some oxygen into the soil. A little warm now, guys.
It's feeling a little warm now, but we've done a good job.
Yes we have, Dad. Let's add some rich organic matter into the soil. It's going to lift the soil up.
Now you could use your own homemade compost, or you can buy compost from your local gardening center. Today we're going to be adding some manure into the soil, and that will lift the soil up. It will revitalize it.
Guys, it smells horrible, but the worms love it. They're going to feed on this.
The worms loves it.
Be generous with it. Add plenty to the soil. Spread all around your garden patch.
Once you have added plenty of manure or compost onto your garden patch, now mix it in properly. Use a fork, dig it in, get the compost into the soil, and the earthworm will feed on it.
It's best to get your vegetable patch ready at least 1 month before planting, so the earthworm could have enough time to break down the manure.
Now, just before planting, at least a few days before planting your vegetables, think of the nutrition content in the soil. Add some slow release granular fertilizer. We tend to use fish blood and bone. You can use any balanced slow release granular fertilizer. Just spread it onto the vegetable patch at least a few days before you plant, and make sure you water in properly. Once you've spread the slow release granular fertilizer, using a rake, just mix it in slightly. Now give some water. Whenever you're using slow release fertilizer, make sure you water it in properly. This patch behind me, I prepared that a month ago, and I'm going to be adding some. I'm going to be planting some radish, coriander, and some carrot in these patches before I start planting my bottle gourd and other vegetable at the back. We've already planted some radish in our greenhouse and some coriander. Shall we have a look what's happening in our greenhouse? Oh wow, this is nice and warm in here. We had a warm. What's the temperature in here, kid?
18 degrees.
Oh, it's 18 degrees. Fantastic. Okay, come along here, kid. Let's show what we have going in this vegetable patch. These are the radish we have sown in this patch about 7 days ago. These are long white radish, mullies, small mullies, and they grow really fast. From sowing to harvest is about 6 weeks. Growing radish is very simple. Once you have prepared your vegetable patch, scatter your seeds onto the soil, or you could sow them in a row, and then obviously cover the seeds, watering properly, and then cover the earth with a black plastic sheet, like a black dustbin bag. Just cover it so that it helps it germinates, and plus it will retain moisture, it won't dry up quickly. And check on it after about 3 or 4 days, depending how warm the soil is. If the soil is warm, it will come up in 3 or 4 days. If the soil is a little cold, it will probably could take about 10 days. I'm really looking forward to the summer gardening this year. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And please don't forget to share our videos. As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum, and until then I'll see you in the next one.
Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.